This is Val with This Is How You Do It. With Bones Riders, and we are at the rodeo, having a good time. They doing heel and toe. The cows are coming out the chute. We right down here, down from Bones Riders Clubhouse, right down the street. It was free admission to get in. The cowboys paid to get into the roping, and that's how they make their money. But for the public, it's free admission. And we are sitting out, just enjoying ourselves. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye now.